Hello, dear learners of Estonian. In this video, we will learn how to make the plural form in Estonian. First, we need the case omastav. The word should be put in the case omastav, and then the ending de should be added. Keel, keele, keeled, languages. Arst, arsti, arstid, doctors. Restoran, restorani, restoranid, restaurants. Park, pargi, pargid, parks. Naaber, naabri, naabrid, neighbors. Sõber, sõbra, sõbrad, friends. Two more words are important to talk about when we talk about the singular and plural form. These words are see, this, for singular, and need, these, for plural. We can use them to ask and answer questions. Kes see on? Who is this? See on inimene. Mis see on? What is this? See on kott. This is a bag. Kelle oma see on? Whose is this? See on arsti oma. This is the doctor's. Kes need on? Who are these? Need on inimesed. These are people. Mis need on? What are these? Need on kotid. These are bags. Kelle omad need on? Whose are these? Need on arsti omad. These are the doctors. Mis see on? See on pastakas. Kelle oma see on? See on õpetaja oma. Have a good day.